Hi everyone, welcome to Question AI video. Read the excerpt from Healthy Eating. The key is planning and making informed decisions. People get stuck with the same 5 recipes or they feel kids are picky, said Erin Corrigan, the nutrition manager at Miami Children's Hospital. My suggestion is you dedicate half an hour once a week to looking over ads at your favorite store, create a meal plan, make a list, and go to the store and dedicate only going once. Want the full explanation? Check out the details below for the complete answer.